The next statement we'll discuss here is a do while statement. So it is very similar to an while. Okay, it's very similar to an while. Slight difference is when the condition should be checked. So let's see the syntax of it. So you have a do, and within the compound statement you'll have your set of statements, and then close this set of statement, and here we'll give an while and condition. Okay, after giving a condition, close bracket, and then you need to give an semicolon. Whereas the syntax of while was, we used to give a while, then the condition, but we didn't give an semicolon here. Okay, whereas for do while you have an semicolon, and here you have set of statements. Now both are loop statements. The main difference between do while and while is, in case of while, first the condition is checked. Only if the condition is true, then it will come inside the set of statements. So assume that the first time itself the condition is false. If the condition is false, that means the set of statements will not get executed. Immediately it comes out of the loop. That means not even a single time the set of statements will get executed. Whereas in case of do while, what happens is, you have set of statements here. So without checking any condition, directly it gets into the loop for the first time, execute once. After executing, then it checks the condition here. So for the first time to execute the set of statements, not going to check any condition. Directly get in, execute the set of statement, then check the condition. If the condition is true, then it will go for the second time execution. So if it is third time again, if it is true, keeps on doing this. Okay, it keeps on executing the set of statement. When the condition is false, that time it comes out of the loop. The main difference between the while and do while here is, in case of while, first the condition is checked and then get into the loop. Whereas in case of do while, without checking any condition, get into the loop, execute the set of statements. If in case of while, first time itself if the condition is false, that means not even single time the set of statements will get executed. Whereas in case of do while, minimum once it will execute the set of statements, because it's not going to check any condition here, directly get inside, execute. That means minimum once the set of statements will get executed. In case of while, first the condition is checked and get in, whereas in case of do while, execute set of statements and then check it. For while we won't give a semicolon, whereas in case of do while we give a semicolon. I'll just write a code here to display a natural number from 1 to 5 using do while. We'll have a main, and to generate a natural number we'll take an integer variable I, and we'll initialize this I value is equals to 1 and take a do loop. Okay, and here already the I value is 1, so we'll display that 1 by giving here printf /n %d, that is an I. So 1 is displayed, and after displaying 1, I plus plus, so I value will become 2. Okay, so the 2 has to be displayed or not. I would like to display up to 5, so we'll give a condition here is I is less than or equal to 5, and then we have to give a semicolon. So that is 2 is less than or equal to 5, true, so it will go back and display a 2. And then again I plus plus I will become now 3. So that is when I value is 1, it has directly displayed. When I value is 2, after incrementation it has checked the condition. 2 is less than or equal to 5, the condition is true, it goes back and then displays the 2. Then I value will become 3 here, I plus plus 3, I value will be 3, 3 is less than or equal to 5, true, again goes back and printf I, 3 is displayed. And then again I plus plus I is 4, so comes and checks the condition, 4 is less than or equal to 5, true, again go back and display a 4. I plus plus I is going to be a 5, so 5 is less than or equal to 5, it is equal, so goes back, printf I, so 5 is displayed. And I plus plus, now it's going to be 6. Now when it checks the condition here, 6 is less than or equal to 5, 6 is less than or equal to 5, the condition is false. That time it comes out of the loop, and then you can stop the main by giving a return 0, and then close this. Let's see the output in the code block. Here I have declared an I variable, I value is 1, So within the loop, do loop, printf I value I plus plus and check the condition here is I is less than or equal to 5 and I have given a semicolon. Very important is this giving a semicolon. Keeps on doing this job. Let's build the code and then see the output. When there's no error, we'll run the program. So you can see here the output is 1, 2, 3 up to 5. So this is how do while statement works.